Breaking news that's coming in from Navi Mumbai, wherein bags were found with cash in Kharghar. Reports come out to say that the cash was for distributing money to voters. The case has been registered against unknown suspects. No campaign leaflet, however, was found with the cash. This is in Navi Mumbai, Kharghar Sector 20, where they were suspected to have been brought to distribute the money to voters during the very elections, and the cash registered against an unknown suspect at Kharghar police station at this given point of time. The source of the money still remains to be unknown. Mustafa joins me on the broadcast with more details on this particular story at this point of time. Mustafa, very good morning to you. It's a big day in Mumbai and we'll quickly come to the BMC polls. But right now, if you could just take me through this particular story that we are focusing on from Navi Mumbai, where there's bags of cash that's been found. No leaflets, however, so it's still unknown who that money is associated with, but it's being said that it might have been used to distribute money to the voters.
Well, the distribution of money, what we are hearing from on the ground has been rampant, and it has mostly been done in envelopes, and that's why you can see everywhere you go that in especially slums areas, voters were given money, and not only from one party, across the party lines, voters have been given money in this local election, is what we are hearing, and that is something which also reflects when in some instances where the money is caught, like the instance we are showing is from Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, and there have been instances in Mumbai and other parts of MMR region also where there have been workers caught or caught on CCTV cameras distributing money, giving money in a hidden way to voters. So that has been a predominant practice. Now, what is State Election Commission doing? What are the police doing? Is a question and a law and order question which can be asked. But the way what one can say is that the instances which are being caught on camera are just 0.1% of the instances what has really happened on ground. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa. So this is big news coming in right at the top of this very segment, and this is from Navi Mumbai. And with that, viewers, the polling begins for the richest civic body, the BMC. 227 wards, over 1,700 candidates in the fray. Big guns fight for the control of the BMC. Can the United Thakres win Mumbai? Or will it be the triple engine magic working for the Mahayuti? Will Marathi pride sway the polls? Well, all that questions that shall be answered on January 16. But for now, as of January 15th today, people in Mumbai are to be, in fact, exercising their democratic right, getting out there, voting for the richest civic body, that is the BMC. The polling, in fact, officially begins as the clock strikes 7:30 a.m. in the morning. And yes, these are all the details we are bringing to you of the very polls. It is a big guns fight for control of the BMC that we are seeing. Of course, there's a lot at stake when we speak of both sides. The particular contest definitely being a three-way contest, but more importantly, it brings in the Thakres back in the fold together in the united front. The Thakre brothers uniting after 20 years, a news that made headlines. So yes, that is one big factor which we need to keep a very close watch on as to whether that indeed plays out to their favor. Well, finally, the day the Mumbai and the Mumbaikars had been waiting for 3 years